Hello, my name is Aaron. I am the AI Disciple, and in this video, I'm going to help you get started with artificial intelligence or AI from the very beginning. Before we touch any tools, I want to clear up a few fears. AI is not a living thing. It is not a robot from the movies. It is not the Terminator. AI is simply software that is very good at recognizing patterns in data and then guessing what should come next. It does not have feelings, beliefs, or a will of its own. And one more important thing, you are not going to break it. You can type questions, make mistakes, change your mind, and the AI will simply respond. So take a breath and relax. This is a safe place to learn. Think of AI as a super-powered autocomplete. When you type a message, the AI looks at the words you wrote, compares them to patterns it has seen in its training data, and then predicts the most likely next words. It feels smart because it has seen examples of code, stories, conversations, and explanations, and it can recombine those patterns very quickly. But under the hood, it's still just math and pattern matching running on computers. So when we talk to AI, we are really giving instructions to a pattern matching program. Now let's actually open one AI tool together, ChatGPT. At the top of your web browser, click in the address bar. Type in the address chatgpt.com and press enter. After the page loads, you'll see a screen inviting you to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, click log in and enter your information. If you don't have an account yet, click sign up and follow the steps to create one. ChatGPT offers free accounts, so you can start learning without paying anything. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main ChatGPT screen. Depending on when you watch this, the layout may change a little, but the core parts are the same. Let me highlight the key areas. On the left side, you'll usually see a sidebar. This may show your recent conversations or folders. In the middle, you'll see the main chat area. This is where your conversation with the AI appears. At the bottom, you'll see a long box where you can type your message. That box is often called the prompt box or input box. This box is the most important part. This is where you tell the AI what you want. Sometimes you might also see buttons to choose which AI model you're using, or settings options near the top or in a corner. Even if the design shifts around, the idea stays the same. You type at the bottom, answers appear in the main area above. ChatGPT is just one example of this kind of AI. There are other tools such as Grok, Claude, and Gemini. They have different names, different companies, and slightly different interfaces, but the basic concept is the same. You type a prompt into a box, the AI reads what you wrote, uses pattern matching, and generates a response. In this training series, we're going to focus on ChatGPT, but you can apply the same ideas to those other tools as well. Now let's do your first prompt together in ChatGPT. Click in the prompt box at the bottom of the page. We're going to start with something simple and friendly. Type this. Hi, I'm new to AI. Can you explain in simple language what you can do? Then press enter or click the send button. You should see ChatGPT start typing a response. It may say things like it can answer questions, summarize information, and so on. The important part is this. You just had your first conversation with AI. Let's try one more prompt together, a little more specific. In the same prompt box, type, I work in, then describe your job or field. Give me 3 simple examples of how AI like you could help me. Replace that bracketed part with your own situation. For example, I work as a teacher, or I run a small business, or I'm a student. Then send the message. You'll see AI give you tailored ideas based on the role you describe. Already you can see how being a little more specific gives you a more useful answer. Now I want to talk about something very important. How you write your prompts. AI responds to the instructions you give it. If you are vague and ambiguous, you are more likely to get answers that are off, incomplete, or even incorrect. People sometimes call it hallucination when an AI makes up details that sound confident but are not true. This often happens when the prompt is too general or unclear. Here's a quick example. A vague prompt might be, tell me about business. That's extremely broad. The AI doesn't know what you mean. A better, more specific prompt would be, I run a small online store selling handmade candles. Explain 3 simple marketing ideas I can try this month using clear steps. Notice the difference. You say what you do, you say what you want. You give a time frame, you ask for a specific format. The clearer and more specific you are, the better the AI can match patterns and give you useful answers. To wrap up this first beginner lesson, AI is software doing pattern matching, not a person, not a robot, and not something you should be scared of. You won't break it. You can get started simply by going to chatgpt.com, creating a free account, and typing in the prompt box. The quality depends on how specific and clear you are. In the next lessons, we'll go deeper into how to design better prompts and how to use AI in your everyday life and work. For now, I encourage you to pause this video, open chatgpt.com, and try those 2 prompts yourself. Once you see it working, a lot of the fear will disappear.